So today we are making 3 different lip gloss shades. I'll have everything linked down in the description box that I use in this video. Most of the stuff is from TKB Trading because a few months ago they actually sent me a whole bunch of stuff to make lip gloss. I actually filmed an entire video of everything they sent me, so I'll link that video down below so you guys can check that out. Let's just get into these recipes. They're super easy to make. So first up, I'm going to be making this deep mauve lip gloss. I'm not really good at naming colors, but I'm pretty sure you would call this a dark mauve. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but I'm so happy with the color payoff with this gloss. You know, lip glosses don't typically have too much pigment to them, but this has so much pigment to it, and I am so obsessed. Let's just get into it. So I'm going to be mixing everything in this 200 milliliter beaker. Any container works. Lip gloss, the recipes and formulas are pretty forgiving because they are anhydrous products, so you don't have to really worry about making sure the formula equals 100% like we do in most cosmetics and like what you see me do here on my channel. So I'm going to keep track of how much I add in of everything. That way you guys can replicate this recipe as accurately as possible. So we're first going to add in the TKB gloss base. Now I've made this color before and this is the color we're going for. So let's see if I can replicate this for you guys. Okay, and I noticed immediately after you add in the coloring, it thickens up so much. And I did hear that the thicker the gloss is, the more pigmented it is. But I personally don't find a thick gloss to be pleasant to put on my lips. And also, it being this thick makes it very difficult to get it into your gloss tubes. So we want this to be thinner. Anyways, I'm going to add in some oils to thin it out. I got the exact color I was going for. So I'll put up here on the screen the exact amounts of everything I used. So now what we want to do is add in some flavoring. And it's always good to add some kind of antioxidant to your anhydrous formulas to help keep the oils fresh. So I'm using this vitamin E. So now it's time to fill up the lip gloss tubes. And there's so many different kinds of lip gloss tubes out there. It just depends on your preference. But I'm going to do a couple different ones. And there's lots of other really cute lip gloss tubes out there as well. But in order to fill up your lip gloss tubes, you want to make sure you have one of these oral syringes because these have very small openings. And I seriously cannot fill up lip gloss tubes without making a mess. This gloss, seriously, like I said earlier, has so much pigment to it. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. And let's move on to the next gloss. All right, this next one, it's like a deep fuchsia. Got like an iridescent effect to it. It's so pretty. So it does have like a bit of a shimmer, pearlescent effect. So pretty. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and make it. So again, we're starting with our gloss base. Okay, now for the coloring, I'm going to be using this fantastic fuchsia powdered pigment. And look at that beautiful purple. Now I'm going to add in this pearl white shade, and it should lighten it up a little bit too, so it's not as like a deep purple. What if we just added a little bit of perky pink? Okay, I added in 0.1 gram. I wouldn't say it's as pigmented as the last gloss, but it's absolutely stunning. Fantastic Fuchsia is definitely a really, really fun, pretty shade. So Definitely recommend checking out this shade. All right, and lastly, we have this really gorgeous, like light pinkish nude. So it definitely doesn't show up as much on the lips as the other two colors, but still super glossy and gorgeous. All right, no surprise, we're gonna start with the gloss base. I'm like super tempted to add some of this gold pearl for some reason. Okay, but I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, and I'm gonna add literally just one drop of brown. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Am I gonna regret it? Maybe. All right, and here are the finished glosses. Super pretty, I absolutely love it. Gorgeous. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this lip gloss tutorial. You guys have been asking for this for so long. I do have a few other lip gloss videos planned in the future, so whenever I get time to record those, I'll be sure to do that for you guys. Until then, I'll talk to you guys next time. Later.
I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm shy.